Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
After this video, you will learn how to solve the whole white side and how to orient the corner pieces. I've already made the first video, which is teaching you how to solve the white cross. This video, I'm going to teach you how to orient the corner pieces. From the last video, we've learned how to make the white cross. If you haven't watched that, go right there. Click right there. And you'll be able to watch it. So if you've already watched it, then the first step to orienting all the corner pieces is to find them. So we're finding the ones that contain a white piece, like this one. This one is red, green, and white. So that's one of our corner pieces. And this one, and this one. We'll go over all the cases and we'll know what to do for each one. Let's say first we want to orient this one. We first turn it to where it should be. Red and green. Red and green. We put it in the middle, just like this. Now, to put that in right there, we need to first turn it away. And we have two options, either to the left or to the right. And how we're gonna know that is after we turn it, we won't see the white piece. So let's say turn it to the left. That is not valid because we still see the white piece right here. So we have to turn it to the right. That way we don't see the white piece. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring up this. So then the target we're hoping for this square to go to is on top. And after it's on top, we can just turn the piece, the target piece, right back. And we see that right there. They're lined up. Now, all we need to do is to turn it back. That's how we get a little, kind of like a square here. That's oriented. The colors are the same. And we can see the white piece already made a square. Now let's see the other ones. So let's say this one. This one is already oriented because blue and red and blue and red. So it's already in the good spot. Now all we need to do is to see where to turn it. Let's try turning right here. Nope, because we still see the white piece. Let's try turning right here. There, we don't see the white piece anymore. Now we can bring up where he wanted to go. Put him into the spot and turn the whole thing back. Now let's see. Now we have this one. Now this one's a bit tricky because it's not on the top. And if it's not on the top, we're gonna make it to the top. So here's how you make it to the top. You first turn any of these. Both turn the piece to the top. Either this or this. Now we can pick one actually. So let's just pick this. Now we've got it to the top. But when we try to bring these down, again, this will be on the bottom again. So, we should turn it to the top, and we're gonna move it one step. And you don't wanna move it here, because then when you turn back, the white's on the top, so you don't really want that. What you really want is to turn it away. So then when you turn these pieces down, it won't budge this piece. All right? Okay, so how did we do two? I think that's just a coincidence. But okay, let's find another, alright? We found this that we already turned on top, I believe. So let's do that. Let's turn it left. Nope. Turn it right. Yep. And we're gonna bring up this. Remember, don't bring up this because then this would be on the bottom again. So you want to bring up this. That's the target square. So you want to turn it in. All right. And now turn everything down. So we got that again. Now we only need the last one. So the last one is the same place. It's still on the bottom. Let's turn it up. And let's go like that. So now it's on top. Now we just turn, and which way do we turn? Not this, this. Now we just bring up, in, down. So that's basically how you solve the white face and orient these. But there's one more case I want to show. This is another case here, and this time the white piece is on top. There's many ways to bring the white piece down, but I don't want you guys to learn any algorithms for this because it's gonna be hard and you're probably not gonna remember it. So here's how I do it. All you need to do is to turn the white piece anywhere. Let's say left or right. So first you're gonna put the white piece up like that, just like that, and any of these, all right? So let's say I choose this. Now, you can see my white piece is already like this. That means the white piece is on one of the sides, not on the top. So we don't want it to be on top. Now let's turn. Now you can see it's right here. And it's on a safe square right now, so we can turn this all down. And now we can see it's right here. So we turn it 2 times to match it with orange and green. Now we can use what I told you to do. So turn it away, put it up. Remember, not this, because that destroys this. Turn this part up, turn that in. Now get it down. If you want to be a good cuber, then you really should practice these. Practice these like 100 times and you'll get really used to it, and you can even do those in your dreams. So just a reminder, there's more videos coming up. This is only the second step, so I haven't taught the full course yet, but there's still more videos coming up. And really, practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect, right? So, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.